Slow cooking, coming right up on Weekend at the Cottage. I'm just about ready to sit down to eat this bowl of sweet corn chowder, but I figure I better show you what it's all about because you're going to want to make this real soon. Principal ingredients for the recipe are corn and potato. I have 6 ears of corn. You can now buy corn on the cob throughout the year. Place it on a bundt pan, take a sharp knife, remove all of those kernels. If you're wondering why I'm using that bundt pan, head to the story at weekendatthecottage.com. I have a little 1-minute video about the origins of this really easy technique. Next thing we need to do is take our little new potatoes. I'm going to cut them in half and then into 6. Corn and potatoes are to the side. Additional ingredients we're going to need: 1 cup of chopped sweet onion, 1 cup chopped carrot, a cup of chopped celery, 2 cloves of garlic finely chopped. Transfer all of those ingredients into a bowl: corn, potatoes, all of the rest of the ingredients. And then we're taking 3 tablespoons of flour. Sprinkle the flour on top, then stir everything together. All the vegetables are ready. We're transferring them to the vessel of a slow cooker. I'm adding 6 cups of chicken stock. Feel free to substitute with vegetable if you want a vegetarian meal. We then add 3 sprigs of thyme. The lid goes on and you can set your slow cooker for 3 hours on high setting or 6 hours on low setting. So if you like doing these meals where you leave in the morning to go to work, set it for 6 hours. If you want this kind of an afternoon thing or ready for lunch, start it in the morning for 3 hours on high and you'll have great results. Once you've reached your cook time, we take the lid off. 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1 cup 18% cream, and then 1 tablespoon of chopped dill. Stir everything in. We've got salt at the ready, a little bit of black pepper. Have a spoon handy, do a taste test, adjust your seasoning, and then you're ready to serve. Oh, one last thing, take those little sprigs of thyme out and throw them out. One thing for sure, when you serve this up, you'll be as impressed with the presentation as you are with the flavor. Take that first bite. Very flavorful. Corn and potatoes cooked perfectly. This chowder is fantastic. I know you're going to want to make it pretty soon. Looking for other fantastic things? Why not head to weekendatthecottage.com. Please remember to sign up for our newsletter. We won't bug you too much. Maybe once a month we'll send you an update or tell you about an exciting contest. Never know. And also look for us on our dedicated YouTube channel. Make sure you click for notifications, subscribe there as well. Finally, find us on your favorite social media feeds: Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Who knew? Slow cooker, potatoes, corn. 3 hours later, you have a pot of sweet corn chowder. That is pretty sweet. Enjoy.